indicated by a sign. Oh yes, the shelf liners offer no protection whatsoever for those drawers.
Here we are.
Oh my God, he's trying a sideways attack, yes. Notice the intense concentration. This is a dangerous sport. Notice the form. The body bent over at acute angles. Do the bookshelf. Good, and folks, the instrument of death. From the top, folks, all the way through. He's going to do it. Yes, here he goes. Shelf 1, 2. There's number 3. 4. Yes, and 5. Yes, almost. Here we go. It's a malfunction, but easily fixed. Hold on, folks. Here's a view of the carnage, folks. It's not a pretty sight. Steve Gordon has had his wrath. All that's left are bits and pieces of paper, shelf liners from old letters.
It's a commendable job for Mr. Steve Gordon, as he's just accomplished what no mortal man has ever done before.
You can see, folks, Mexico City, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, none of them ever approached this level of destruction. For Channel 69 News, where we get to the thrust of the action, good night.
The cap off. Hi, Mom!
Yes, the crowd is in awe. Never before have they seen such destruction. They don't know what to do. The man in the green jumpsuit has done it again.
Littering in your own yard. Well, Smokey Bear, what are you going to do?
Police have been called in. Yes, there he is. The boys in blue. There's nothing he can do. As you can see, it was a total loss. First assistant, Mike Farrell.
We're at the illustrious Point After Bar, well-known hangout of certain dykes, people like the Creature. Definitely not a place you want to go in. Ranch where some of Knoxville's young yuppies come to hang out. You can meet who you want to at the Long Bar. And here you'll notice some of Knoxville's hardest working Americans, Bob the Cop and Rick. Yeah, hello Rick. Hello Bob the Cop. About the second or third time I've caught you screwing off on duty, huh, Ossifer? There we go, it's Mr. Zimney, hard at work. Yeah, hello there, Mr. Zimney. Wave to Mr. Camera. Yes, sir. Hi, there's Miss Val down there. Yes, wave, Miss Val. Say howdy doody. Yeah. Like as we plan the exciting bar. Right here at Ivy's, and here's Bonnie to tell you all about it. Notice she's got a lot to say. Yeah. It's a nice close-up we've got. All that's showing is your mouth. All that's showing is your mouth right now. The whole thing where I chomped up Debbie's furniture, it's the funniest thing you've ever seen. Incidentally, This is Joe Pulley. Nobody'd ever want to meet him.
Available light, Steve?
Yeah, oh yeah, it's cool. It's real sensitive. Notice the joke area. There you go, Joe. You're live and on camera now.
Look through the viewfinder while you're doing it.
Oh, okay, sure. There we go. Tina, smile. Let's see if you use that Pepsodent.
Cool, it's like
there you go. Okay. There you go, Joe. Hey. Check it out. Yeah, you were on full auto record with automatic focus. We've got, we're 25 clicks into it.
Oh, and I guess the microphone's on too?
Yeah, the microphone is on at all times.
Eat me.
Yeah, there you go.
Pizza Kim, smile. Boy, hey, could this get old in a hurry?
Bradford on duty here at Ivy's. Notice, there we go. We have a little illumination. Yeah, he is. Hi, Joe.
I just turn the answer machine on, and I turn it on monitor, and that way if somebody I want to talk to, I just run and pick the phone up. If not, I just no, I went to school in Johnson City, big issue, but I'm from something like that.
What would you do if you had an ass this big? Wouldn't you want to call it quits? Wouldn't life cease to be meaningful? Well, I don't know. We'll have to ask that man right there what it is. Don't worry, we got you, Dave. A man barely alive. An asshole in a beard, yes. This is a very strange species not to be found in most zoos. Just like zoo animals, he does tricks. Smile, Kim. Smile, Kim.
Everybody smile.
Thank you, Rick.
Smile, Kim.
Zip your pants up, Dave.
You too, Scott.
Okay, Steve, show it to me.
Sure, give it to me, big boy. Oh, that.
What are you using?
Sexual harassment. So basically, a dime.
Thank you, Joe.
How's that?
It's Joe Pulley acting like an ass.
Take one.
Folks, we're now at the University Club, land of boredom and soon to be out of business.
Steve, hang on.
Pulley, Joe Pulley wants us to zoom in on these figures. We are zooming in. Oh yeah. Oh, we have good color. Yes, sir. Yes, they're moving away, but oh wow, they stopped. They paused. Yes, sir. We couldn't get any more in this view. Yep, the Almighty Youth Club, bastion of society, scourge of mankind. For nobody who's self-respecting would ever come in, but I guess that means little to most of the patrons. Yes, sir. This place is a putrid, nasty. eventually he found one at a place that could handle him. The exciting panorama of Steve's room, yes sir folks. There's a lot to take in, kind of like a overload of stimuli. Is slightly unbelievable, bordering on ridiculous. Tried our best to let you see all the things in life that are important. The carnage was unbelievable. Never before have I seen such a mess. I am so embarrassed. Could have been a lot worse, I suppose. It's kind of hard to even imagine. Does this mean that it's over for Steve and Debbie? Who knows, folks? Maybe with some Elmer's glue and a whole lot of luck, their relationship, just like this furniture, can be patched up. But I wouldn't bank on it.